Today's topic is going to talk about the absolute encoder multi-turn reset functionality that has been added to MotionWorks IEC3 hardware configuration. Hi, I am Micah Studeman. Here's a quick preview. If the multi-turn limit value is not the same on both the amplifier and the encoder, the alarm A.CCO is produced. In hardware configuration, simply use the Reset Absolute Encoder button to send the multi-turn limit value to the motor, and then reboot the system. The values now match and the alarm is cleared. Now let's take a look at these features in a little more detail. Yaskawa servos use an advanced absolute encoder. A multi-turn limit parameter resides both on the encoder and the amplifier that needs to match, otherwise an A.CCO alarm will occur. This parameter is useful when working with complex mechanical systems that move infinitely in one direction. This alarm can occur when the machine is first set up or when a motor has been replaced. This alarm is normally reset using either the Web UI or Sigma 1 Plus, but now it can be reset within the hardware configuration of MotionWorks IEC. This functionality has been added to the Reset Absolute Encoder button, which previously only reinitialized the encoder. So to reset the A.CCO alarm, open the hardware configuration window, go online, select the axis with the error from the resource tree on the left side, press the Reset Absolute Encoder button, save the configuration, and then reboot the controller. When the controller reboots, the A.CCO alarm should be gone. Thanks for watching this video. Go to yaskawa.com/IECSW to download the latest version of MotionWorks IEC3 and try out these features yourself with the 30-day demo.